Right, a little tip for bending conduit, plastic conduit. Get it to a corner, to your box, 67, and put a bit of tape on it, so you remember where you're going. Get that so I know where it is. But get your spring. Your spring wants to go spot onto that centre bit, so then bend it round, so you know where it's going to go down. It's cold outside, so it might snap or split. So to stop it from snapping and splitting, give it some of this. I'll get it warmed up a little bit. Oh, nice and warm. Oh, get that spring back in there. Nice and warm, and then get rid of a bit of forming. Oh yeah. There we go. That should. I'm going up at a bit of an angle, so should be good. And then stick the cable inside and clip her in. Ta-da!